Welcome to the Healthy Pantry. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare to address a common concern: open pores. Have you ever wondered what causes pores to enlarge, or what exactly pores are? We'll explore the answers to these questions and more as we delve into how to treat open pores effectively. So, grab a seat and let's uncover the secrets to smoother, more refined skin. Before we jump into the skincare world, let's take a moment to understand our skin's trusty sidekicks: pores. Pores are tiny openings in the skin's surface that allow sweat and oil to reach the skin's surface. They're also the openings of hair follicles, through which hair grows. Each pore contains a sebaceous gland, which produces sebum, an oily substance that helps keep the skin lubricated and moisturized. Pores play an essential role in regulating the skin's oil balance and temperature. However, factors like genetics, age, hormonal changes, and environmental factors can cause pores to become enlarged or more noticeable. Understanding pores is crucial for effectively managing skincare concerns, such as open pores. Let's chat about why those pores might be stealing the spotlight on your skin. The size and appearance of pores are largely determined by genetics. If you have a family history of enlarged pores, you may be more prone to experiencing them yourself. Overactive sebaceous glands can lead to increased oil production, which can cause pores to become clogged and appear larger. What's more, as we age, our skin loses elasticity and collagen, causing pores to appear larger. Additionally, sun damage over time can weaken the skin structure, making pores more visible. Have oily or combo skin? You might find yourself dealing with more prominent pores. That's because the extra oil can mix with dead skin cells and gunk, stretching those pores out a bit. When pores become clogged with dirt, oil, and dead skin cells, they can appear larger. This often happens with improper skincare habits, such as not cleansing the skin thoroughly or using pore-clogging products. Hormonal fluctuations, such as those that occur during puberty, menstruation, pregnancy, or menopause, can increase oil production and lead to enlarged pores. Did you know that prolonged exposure to the sun's harmful UV rays can damage the skin's collagen and elastin fibers, causing the skin to sag and pores to appear larger? And here's another reason to kick that smoking habit. Smoking can mess with blood flow to your skin, leading to poor texture and, you guessed it, larger pores. By understanding the factors that contribute to open pores, you can take proactive steps to manage and minimize their appearance through proper skincare habits and lifestyle choices. All right, folks. Now that we've got the lowdown on what pores are and why they sometimes like to steal the show, it's time to roll up our sleeves and talk treatment. When it comes to giving those open pores some extra love, it's all about teamwork. A little skincare magic mixed with some professional pampering. So, let's dive into some strategies to help shrink those pores down to size. First off, regular cleansing is essential for managing open pores effectively. Opt for a gentle, non-abrasive cleanser that is suitable for your skin type. Look for products labeled as non-comedogenic or oil-free to prevent clogging your pores further. Cleanse your face twice a day, in the morning and evening, to remove dirt, oil, and impurities that can accumulate in and around your pores. Use lukewarm water, as hot water can strip the skin of its natural oils and exacerbate pore enlargement. Avoid scrubbing your skin vigorously, as this can irritate the skin and potentially enlarge pores. Instead, use gentle, circular motions with your fingertips to massage the cleanser into your skin. Pay particular attention to areas where pores are more prominent, such as the nose, forehead, and cheeks. Thoroughly cleanse these areas to ensure that pores are free from buildup. After cleansing, gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Avoid rubbing or pulling on the skin, as this can cause irritation and potentially enlarge pores. Next up, exfoliation is a crucial step in treating open pores because it helps remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, leading to smoother and more refined skin texture. There are two main types of exfoliants: physical and chemical. Physical exfoliants contain granules or particles that physically scrub away dead skin cells, while chemical exfoliants contain acids or enzymes that dissolve dead skin cells. For treating open pores, chemical exfoliants are often preferred because they can penetrate deeper into the pores to unclog them. If you're new to exfoliation or using a new product, Start slowly to avoid irritating your skin. Begin with exfoliating once or twice a week and gradually increase frequency as tolerated. Salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid, BHA, that is particularly effective for treating open pores. It penetrates deep into the pores to dissolve excess oil and unclog debris, helping to shrink the appearance of pores over time. Glycolic acid is an alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA, that exfoliates the skin surface, promoting cell turnover and revealing smoother, brighter skin. It can also help improve the appearance of pores by removing dead skin cells and debris that can make them appear larger. Whether you're using a physical or chemical exfoliant, be gentle when applying it to your skin. Avoid harsh scrubbing or rubbing, as this can irritate the skin and potentially enlarge pores. While exfoliation is beneficial, overdoing it can lead to irritation, redness, and damage to the skin barrier. Stick to the recommended frequency and listen to your skin's response. If you experience any signs of irritation, scale back on exfoliation or switch to a gentler formula. Before using a new exfoliant all over your face, perform a patch test on a small area of skin to check for any adverse reactions or sensitivity. After exfoliating, be sure to apply sunscreen during the day, as exfoliation can increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. Sun protection is essential for maintaining the health and appearance of your skin, including minimizing the appearance of pores. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But wait, there is more. Using a toner is an important step in treating open pores because it helps tighten and minimize the appearance of pores while balancing the skin's pH levels. Look for toners specifically formulated to address the concerns of open pores. Opt for products containing ingredients like witch hazel, niacinamide, or alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, which help tighten pores and refine skin texture. After cleansing your face, pour a small amount of toner onto a cotton pad or your hands. Gently swipe the toner across your face and neck, focusing on areas where pores are more prominent, such as the nose, forehead, and cheeks. Avoid rubbing or pulling on the skin when applying toner, as this can cause irritation and potentially enlarge pores. Instead, use light, upward motions to pat the toner into the skin. Give the toner a few moments to absorb into the skin before proceeding with the rest of your skincare routine. This allows the toner to work its magic and effectively tighten pores. While alcohol-based toners may provide a temporary tightening effect, they can be too harsh and drying for the skin, leading to irritation and potentially exacerbating pore enlargement. Opt for alcohol-free toners that are gentle and hydrating. Incorporate toner into your skincare routine both morning and night to maximize its pore-refining benefits. Consistency is key to seeing results over time. Some toners contain exfoliating ingredients like AHAs or BHAs, which can further help unclog pores and refine skin texture. However, be cautious not to over-exfoliate, especially if you're already using other exfoliating products in your routine. Follow up with a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer to hydrate and nourish the skin without clogging pores. This helps maintain the skin's moisture balance and prevents overdrying, which can lead to increased oil production and enlarged pores. And let's not forget about moisturizing. Opt for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type. Look for products labeled as non-comedogenic or specifically formulated for oily or acne-prone skin to prevent clogging your pores further. After cleansing and toning your face, apply a small amount of moisturizer evenly onto your skin. Gently massage the moisturizer in using upward, circular motions, ensuring that it absorbs fully into the skin. Look for moisturizers that contain hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or ceramides, which help attract and retain moisture in the skin. Proper hydration can improve the overall texture and appearance of your skin, including minimizing the appearance of pores. Heavy, greasy moisturizers can exacerbate pore enlargement and make your skin feel congested. Instead, opt for lightweight, gel-based, or water-based moisturizers that provide hydration without feeling heavy on the skin. If you're moisturizing during the day, be sure to choose a moisturizer with built-in sunscreen or layer a separate broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher on top. Sun protection is essential for preventing sun damage, which can weaken the skin's structure and enlarge pores over time. By moisturizing your skin effectively using the right products and techniques, you can help minimize the appearance of open pores and achieve a smoother, more balanced complexion. Additionally, using retinoids is an effective strategy for treating open pores because they help improve skin texture, increase collagen production, and regulate oil production, which can all contribute to minimizing the appearance of pores. Retinoids are derivatives of vitamin A and are available in both prescription strength and over-the-counter formulations. Prescription strength retinoids, such as tretinoin, adapalene, and tazarotene, are more potent and may deliver faster results, but can also be more irritating to the skin. Over-the-counter retinol products are milder and may be better tolerated by those with sensitive skin. If you're new to using retinoids or starting a new product, begin by using it just a few times a week to allow your skin to acclimate. Gradually increase frequency as tolerated, aiming for nightly use over time. Apply a pea-sized amount of retinoid to clean, dry skin in the evening. Wait 20 to 30 minutes after cleansing to ensure your skin is completely dry before applying the retinoid. This helps minimize irritation and enhances absorption. After applying retinoids, wait a few minutes for the product to absorb, then follow up with a moisturizer to help hydrate and soothe the skin. This can help minimize potential dryness or irritation associated with retinoid use. Results from Moreover, if over-the-counter products aren't effective, consider professional treatments such as chemical peels, microdermabrasion, laser therapy, or microneedling. These treatments can help improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of enlarged pores. Professional treatments for open pores can yield significant improvements in skin texture, tone, and pore size, but they may require multiple sessions and ongoing maintenance to achieve optimal results. Working with a qualified skincare professional can help ensure safe and effective treatment tailored to your specific concerns. Now let's chat about a golden rule for happy pores: avoiding pore-clogging products. When shopping for skincare and cosmetic products, carefully read the labels and look for terms like non-comedogenic, oil-free, or won't clog pores. These products are formulated to be less likely to clog pores and are suitable for oily or acne-prone skin types. Choose lightweight, gel-based, or water-based formulations for moisturizers, sunscreens, and makeup. These products are less likely to feel heavy or greasy on the skin and are less likely to clog pores. Steer clear of skincare products and makeup that contain heavy oils, such as mineral oil, coconut oil, and cocoa butter. These oils can clog pores and exacerbate pore enlargement, especially for those with oily or acne-prone skin. Choose makeup products labeled as non-comedogenic to minimize the risk of clogging pores. Look for foundations, powders, and concealers that are lightweight and breathable, allowing your skin to breathe while providing coverage. What's more, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is essential for overall skin health, including minimizing the appearance of open pores. Eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and managing stress can all contribute to healthy skin and minimize the appearance of pores. Lastly, consulting a dermatologist is a crucial step in treating open pores, especially if you've tried various at-home remedies without success or if you have persistent concerns about your skin. A dermatologist can assess your skin condition, identify the underlying causes of open pores, and determine the most suitable treatment options based on your individual needs and concerns. They can evaluate factors such as skin type, pore size, acne severity, and overall skin health to develop a personalized treatment plan. Dermatologists are trained specialists in diagnosing and treating various skin conditions, including open pores. They can provide expert advice on skincare products, treatments, and lifestyle modifications tailored to your specific skin concerns. And there you have it, folks. Treating open pores is all about finding the right balance of skincare practices, lifestyle habits, and professional treatments. Remember, it's a journey, not a race, so be patient with yourself and your skin. Whether you're cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, or protecting your skin from the sun, each step plays a vital role in achieving those smoother, more refined pores we all dream of. And if you ever feel overwhelmed or unsure, don't hesitate to reach out to a dermatologist or skincare professional for expert guidance and support. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.